Here's the 25 best niches for you to make $5,000 this summer as a teenager. Let's get into it. Number 1 is glass replacement and repair. Have you ever heard of that? Probably not. And guess what? Neither has anybody else. That is the most untapped niche you could get into. Number 2, flooring installation. People love the home remodeling, these kind of interior kind of services. But many people miss out on floor installation, which is actually very, very, very needed. Number 3, electricians. They kind of get swept into the rug when we talk about the tradespeople. Very, very underrated. Number 4 is interior and exterior painters. Make sure you get both of them there. Painters, people, especially in the summer, really, really, really want to paint their home to look good. Why? Because they want to look better than all their neighbors. It's a really, really good niche to help out, whether you're servicing those clients or even painting other people's houses. Number 5 is plumbers. A lot of stuff happens throughout the summer. People clog the toilets, maybe pools, hoses. Plumbers help out a ton. Really good niche. Number 6 is auto financing. Summer is the exact time where people want to get new cars, drive drop tops, roof off. Auto financing is a great niche. Number 7 is mechanics and garages. Okay, more people are out there doing stuff, so more stuff gets broken. Mechanics and garages is a great niche. Number 7. Number 8, insurance agents. Don't have to explain that. Insurance is always needed. Number 9 is accountants. While accounting dies down in the summer, it's a great time to pick up those new clients to get prepared for next year. Okay. Number 10 is tax consultants. In the same kind of boat, but still, once again, they've just died down off of a very, very heavy tax season. So if you want to reach out to them, now is the time to do so. 11, HR specialist. 12, solar. Especially during the summer, people are going solar, people are going green 24/7. Solar is the way to go. Number 13, pet care. And man, who here doesn't care about pets, right? Pets are some of the most cared about creatures on the planet. Number 14, child care insurance. Let me pause for a second. If you want to get access to all of 100 plus hours of all my trainings and SOPs and get this exact document along with all of these ones and many, many more, I have a link down below for you to get them entirely for free and join a free community where you can hop on calls with me and ask me any question you want and even get some one-on-one calls with me. So number 14, child care insurance. Number 15, solar again. Ooh. Does that mean solar is really, really good? I guess you'll have to find out. Okay. Number 16, real estate. Okay, real estate is always booming, especially now that, a lot of people have kind of shied away from real estate. It's a really good time to get into it. Number 17 is jewelers. It's a very interesting one that not many people talk about, but jewelry is something that a lot of people, especially people that make money, want to get into. Number 18 is SaaS, software as a service, okay? This is as we go on and on with the AI, SaaS is becoming more and more and more prominent. If you can find your way into that niche, it's a really good niche to make a bunch of money this summer. Number 19 is coaches and consultants. The staple wouldn't be a list if we didn't have coaches and consultants on there. Number 20 is counselors. We live in a day and age where everyone is depressed, apparently, right? Like whatever that means. So counseling is a very, very, very solid niche. Number 21 to go hand in hand with that is therapist, right? Just as good as them. 22 is lawn care. In the summer, people, they water their lawns. They want to make it look green. Lawn care is the perfect niche for this summer if you want to go ahead and make a bunch of money even as a teenager. Number 13 is auto detailers. People drive their car way more often. They want their cars to look good. I actually just got my car detailed last week. Okay, paid a good chunk of change for that. It's a really, really, really good niche. Even if you don't help them, you can auto detail. Just look up how to detail a car. You yourself as a teenager can go around town and say, hey, I'll clean your entire car inside and out. Give me some money. Make a bunch of money doing it that way. Number 14 is loan officers and mortgage brokers. Goes hand in hand with real estate. Last but not least is the home improvement. Okay, it wouldn't be a list if we didn't put home improvement, which is like HVAC, flooring, even window installation. Those kind of things all fall under this list. So let me give you some more value. Okay, once you find a niche, here's how you make sure it's the best. This is the ultimate niche checklist. Here's how you can make sure that your niche is actually really, really, really good. Is follow these things. Now, like I said, if you want to get access to this document and hundreds of other documents and join a community of other young entrepreneurs who want to go out there and make money, click the link down below. You can get all this stuff entirely for free and get a bunch of free calls with me so you can hop on and ask me any question you want. I will see you inside. Peace.